All right, good evening, everyone. Tonight we are going to be working on some small GitHub. Restart that. God damn it, stuttered. Okay, hold on. Sorry to anyone watching, but I want to get like one good intro, and then I can just start coding. That's how I like to do things. Let me get a good intro. All right, good evening, everyone. Tonight we are going to be working on some small GitHub issues such as code highlighting, error handling, and general backend development. Let's get into it. So I like to start with the backend development part of what I just told you, which is this, because this is the kind of most important thing here, not having a massive security issue in your code base. And the massive security issue that I'm talking about is that I have done the silly little mistake of adding the allow any permission class to almost every single view I've made without second thought, uh, which is an issue because, yeah, I don't want to allow any user to uh, access a lot of these. But of course, views like login user or check authenticated, they of course need to allow any. And actually, on that note, I'm going to specify allow any for this. Anyways, logout user should also actually no. There's really no there's no wrong. bleh, There's no reason to allow a not logged in user to try and log out. So let's just go ahead and force them to be authenticated. And something like a user info view, this is where I actually need to do a little bit of Googling because a GET request, and actually in this case, there's only a GET request. If there was a GET request and a POST request, the GET request, I would only want, oh my gosh, words. I would want anyone to be able to access that because they should just be able to go to the username and access that. But if there was a post request, I obviously don't want someone that isn't authenticated being able to access that. Thus, for this, we can just do allow any. But let's see what else we got. We got change the profile picture view is authenticated. Yep. There's only a put request here and a delete and a oh, okay, there's the whole shebang. This is where actually, oh, I've done this before. Okay. I forgot that I've actually done this before. This is the part I'm talking about. It's very simple. I just completely forgot that it actually existed. It just assigns permissions dynamically, and I should put dynamically in quotes because it's, I mean, dynamic is a stretch, but it's doing it on the fly, so it technically is dynamic. Anyways, we have an update user info view, and for a register view, this is the one allow it view. Sorry, this is the one post view that we want to allow any users to access. So this file is actually good. I thought there was going to be more issues with that. Let me actually, before I forget, let me go and see if there's any, yep, I was going to see if there's any imports that I can remove. And there is, there are grammar, it's hard. Okay, so comment list view, that's just a get, so that's fine. Blog post list view, yeah, see, here's the issue. Okay, actually, I should clarify. This is in technicality secure, because we have this. And what I mean by this is that this is a cookie that only authenticated users will have, but it's still just a wiser idea to just go ahead and slap an is authenticated permission class on there. So I'm going to hop back over to this, and I'm just going to yoink get permissions. Go back over here. Throw, oh, actually, there we go. Okay, awesome. And again, all this is doing is just if self dot request dot method dot lower. So if the request method is not equal to get, then the user has to be authenticated. That's it. There's nothing fancy about it. Let's see what else we got. Why am I only going down? Did I do something silly? Or am I? Hold on. No, wait. I swear I did something weird here. Okay, I don't know. I think I bumped something on my keyboard, but I'll figure it out in a little bit. We got this, and yeah, this is just a get, so it doesn't need anything. But I didn't miss something up there, right? Um, no, I did not. This is post, and yeah, oh, yeah, there we go. That's just the one I did. Sorry, I got a little bit sidetracked with the whole thing that's going on with my keys. I still don't understand. We'll figure it out, don't worry. That's a get, that's a get. And this is also a get, so this is allow any. Uh, all of the permission classes for this are just authenticated, so yeah. And this is a get, and I'm actually going to add is authenticated for this just because, yeah. Okay, I actually thought that this was going to be a lot longer, and I'm going to say that I'm going to jinx myself because I'm going to go over here, run Docker Compose up. Wait, no, sorry. Docker Compose exec on the backend container Python 3 manage.py. Actually, no, let's just run sh coverage helper.sh. I'm gonna end up biting myself for that because I'm gonna run this and then there's gonna be like 20 million tests that fail. I'm like, oh crap. Um, but if I get lucky, then we won't have that. I'm just gonna figure out why my keys aren't working real quick. I'm just gonna restart any of them. Um, Okay. Yeah, my control U and control D wasn't working. I don't know why. Let's see. Oh, no. Oh, wait. No, that's not exactly an issue. That's just me being a silly Billy. Okay, let me know how we got to 52. That's weird, but ignoring that, let me go back over to let me see. Uh chart. So blogs at 289 at 289. Okay, so what I think I need to do here, because I've been doing this. Well, yeah, I just this is poorly written code, and the reason I say that is because what I should be doing is, well, actually, I mean, hell, you know what I should be doing? I should actually be. Okay, we're combine this with a few things. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna make a commit. It's just a 46. Git add git commit add save point for 46 will fix after I refactor, will finish after I refactor tests. Push that. Okay, so what I was originally gonna say was that what I should be doing is I should be getting the ID of the follower. I should be taking that and I should be querying the database for that follower and then get the name of that follower and just compare that to the output, or sorry, compare that to the expected result. But what I should be doing in the first place is this is on blogs, right? I don't know if it is. It wasn't. What I should be doing in the first place is just uh returning the username and stuff, because on the front end, I'm not gonna want to, requery for that. That would just be thinking, well, yeah, it would be stupid. Why would you do that? So I just want to return the username and, well, any other data that I want initially. So now that we're here. So I think I can just do select related. Um, so it should be user, username, and what's the other one? I think it's follower username. And these are both custom user objects, or not objects, but oh my goodness, words. These are both custom user. I forget. I'm gonna give up now. It's too hard. Custom user objects. I think is the word I was looking for. Anyways, hop over to serializers, and we need to make some modifications. First off, we're going to need to yoink this, and this is going to be our get follower serializer. And it's not going to be a model serializer. It's going to be a normal serializer. And the reason for that is it's easier to just do. Actually, wait, hold on. Can I just add a field in? Because I was going to say it's hard to add field ins. It's hard to add fields in with a model serializer, but I think I can just do this. Well, we'll see. So what we're going to do is we're going to do user is equal to. I've done this up here, and I just want to see if I can copy it over. Okay, it looks like I can. So for now, user is equal to single blog post user serializer, and follower is also equal to the same thing, which is wonderful. Very nice. Okay, now let's try and run that again. Actually, I can just so I'm saving a bit of time, let me just run Python 3 manage.py test. Where is this? Blogs.test dot test dot follower view test case. Run that. It's going to throw an error, of course, but oh, no relational field. Wait, was that? No, that should select relayer should just go ahead and get that, I believe. Um, non-relational field given select related. I think I'm just doing select related wrong. Oh, yep. I think okay, I think that's my issue. Nope. Um, would tell me if it's not if it's not the error for some reason. Let me see. So it's 286. It's that. So much to scan through, man. So okay, so 151. Oh, it actually might be an issue with this serializer. I'm glad I looked through this. I think it. I don't know, but I think it might be. Let me keep looking through the errors real quick. Yeah, I think it is. So, okay, line 151 of FullStack, which is just that. So let me print. Actually, let me just print data. You know what? Print data. Because I just want to see what the heck is going on here. Actually, it might not let me. Yeah, it's not gonna let me call that. So, okay, so it is an issue with the query and not the serializer. Um, okay. I'm gonna have to check the documentation real quick. That should be the correct way to use serializer. Not. It should be the correct way to use select related. Did I think right? Oh no, that's not the case. Okay. Um. Yeah, I think I'm using the wrong thing then. Um. what do I need for this then? So, get the follow foreign key relationships. So I think. Yeah, I'm being a little bit silly here, as per usual. Go back here, uh, and do dot select related for user and follower, and then dot no 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 not dot get. I do I just get values? Hold on, I've done this before. Let me um. So not that. Actually, no. This is this alone is enough. I just realized. Yeah. Or it should be enough. We'll see if it is, I guess. Okay. Let's jump around there for a minute. Sorry. Let's try this again. It's still gonna fail, but oh, did not fail? Okay. That is odd because I didn't actually change the test yet. Um, yeah, I'm not. That is good, I guess, but I'm not sure why it's working because I haven't changed this test yet. So just printing request dot data, what would that yield? Oh, so it only gets that. Okay. Um, yeah, that's we. I don't know why that works, but it does for whatever reason. So okay, well, I still, for my sake, let me just go ahead and okay. I should be able to get. What's the query? What's the function to get related fields? I'm just gonna scroll until I. Okay, well, yeah. Okay, so I can get values list like that. Maybe I do just need to get a values list. Um, hmm. Yeah, this is a little bit odd. I'm not sure. I'm not sure what to do because I thought it was just select related, like here, but. Yeah, now I'm not sure. So let me look around at previous queries that I've written, see if there's anything else that I can use off the top of my head. That's just get. Um, yeah, that's not anything fancy. Um, it's just select related user and follower. But the serializer that I'm passing in should, keyword should take that and do something with it. Let me see. Yeah, I kind of wonder if I need to be using a not not a model serializer. If I go here and I just do a normal serializer, um, oh, I need to actually print what is outputting. Well, no, it has to be the same thing. Okay, so it's nothing to do with the serializer as far as I know. Um, let me print. Wait, single blog post user serializer. And that should be fine because yeah, this is the serializer that I'm using, and that looks just fine. But yeah, let me still just go ahead and print that. Just returns a follower object, but doesn't return any attributes about it. So wait, am I not? Oh, guys, I'm being. Ah, jeez. Ah, jeez. There's another one of those issues. Yeah, I was using the wrong serializer. Let's see what happens now. It should fail. Yeah, there we go. Okay. So now we get the user, and then, yeah, the user is like, oh, yeah, it's this, and it's not. There we go. Okay. That's what I was kind of hoping would happen. Okay. So I need to delete this to here, and I really like that didn't truncate. Oh, yeah, I should think about this. Um, the user's username should be just Bobby here, I think. So I should be able to go here. I should do user username. That's gonna be, yeah. Let's see if that works. Wow, first try, baby. You already know. Okay, cool. Um, yes, this is gonna be the same thing, really. And actually, no, it's literally gonna be the exact same thing. Um, it's just gonna be this. Oh, it's actually in the right place. And here we just need to use get follower serializer and go down here and here. I can finally delete that comment. And I can say expected result is equal to, I think, um, in this case, it should be Bobby, I believe. And reverse that data at, I see, follower. Well, actually, I could go either way here, really. I'll just do user and username following view test case. So with test case, I'm going to test uh, following view test case. Wonderful. Let's try and run everything again. I'm not gonna watch that execute because otherwise I'm going to like sit through it, and that's never fun. 'Cause I just get stressed. But yeah, hopefully that works, and we can call it a night at least for video. I'm gonna stream some more, but still. Um. Oh, this is just one more thing I need to do here. Yeah, the post. Okay, so this is where returning. Let me think how I can do this. So I'm just getting that, and then yeah, I'm returning that. So oh, that's because I'm running it out of order. I just realized why. Okay, well, anyways, let me think. So yeah, so let me do. This is the right one, right? Yes. Um, let me do expected result is equal to should be Bobby because this is just testing a push. Actually, you know what? Okay, I'm gonna be lazy. I just need to check. This is just a post request. I'm just checking if it executed correctly. So instead of um going through the pain of trying to do all that, I'm just going to do uh I'm just gonna check it by the status code, which is yeah, maybe not great, but to deal with it, you'll be fine. And just as an explanation, while this is running, why I'm getting these errors, when I run the tests one by one, and when I run the tests as a group, the IDs are going to be created in different order. So that means that however I run the tests, this output is going to differ. It'll still be the correct output, but it's going to differ, which is an issue, of course. Anyways, we have passed all of our tests, so this finishes this issue. Wonderful. So let's get commit, closes, oh geez, wrong button. There we go. Push, and if I did that right, should automatically mark it as completed. Did it not? Did I push it? No, no, I pushed it. Oh, wait, did I not? I don't know why that ignored it. Okay, well, I'm not gonna worry about that too much. Close the issue, call it a night, at least for the recording. But again, as always, I will be live streaming longer. So if you want to come watch that, please feel free to. Anyways, thanks for watching. Bye bye. Okay, that was the end of the recording, but I am still live streaming. So if you are watching, don't leave yet. Okay, so we're gonna get to work on the next issue here. That is going to be not scary code highlighting because I have no idea how to do that. Although actually, you know what? That's piqued my curiosity. Um, highlighting. Let me see if there's an easy way to do it. So this is auto. So the base editor just has autosave and spell checking, but it doesn't have yeah, anything else. So yeah, as far as I know. So I don't know how I'm gonna do code highlighting then. Okay, I'm gonna do something real quick. I'm really hoping that this doesn't have code highlighting because otherwise I'm gonna be like, oh, I should just do it. So let me go back over here and do this. So playground. Oh no, not upload. Yeah, because that doesn't have code highlighting. So code highlighting is not necessary, but I feel like it's one of those things where like the site is going to be really lacking if I don't have it, mainly just because of how I want to market it. So yeah. Um, Let me see if there's any simple way. I don't see anything. Yeah, I really don't see anything super simple off the bat, but let me see. JavaScript uh code highlighting library. I should see there's like a library I can just pop in there and then um yeah, go for it. Okay, is this like a oh, this is absolutely project. Okay. Um yeah, so I think this might be something that I can kind of customize with a markdown renderer. Let me do one thing. So I think I want to highlight stuff myself, which is fine. That's not a big deal. I don't want to like go through the pain of moving to a different markdown editor. And I don't want to research for markdown editors that may or may not have code highlighting. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go to localhost 7, create post, and I just want to see if I do this right now, what is the output? So if I just do console.log, hello world, yay. If I just go ahead and preview this, what is this element? A pre-element. Oh, oh wait, hold on a second. Hold on a second. Okay, this actually might be good. Um, oh, okay. I might just be able to throw this into React because everything is already there, it looks like. That would be wonderful. I would love to do that. Thank you. Let me see. Um, yeah, let me. We're in the top of the library. Okay, so let me just see if I can do basically this for the output. Um, so let me throw this over here and throw it up here and then go to create post. I do also have to do this. I'm gonna make a note of it right now. I also have to do this for the actual blog post page. That would be important, of course. So let me, I'm just gonna make a note of that. Don't forget to do this for the actual blog post page. Comment. Okay, wonderful. Um, okay, so let me go. I have this on my second monitor, so I'm reading off of it, but all it looks like, so you get the front end and then run npm run. I'll just go up and see what the name is. Don't have like a default install because that would be nice. I can, oh, there we go. Npm install highlight.js. Wonderful. And while we're doing that, let me go ahead and rebuild my Docker container. Docker compose up dash w build. Wonderful. So looks like I just need to go up here and do import oh my gosh, HLJS from highlight.js. And those are standard little errors. That's fine. Let me, actually, while I'm here, I'm just gonna go and look at. Oh, okay. I was looking at this highlighter, but it's not really doing exactly what I want. It's doing like highlighting for the entire thing, which is kind of not what I want to do. I just want to highlight specific blocks of code, which is what I'm doing here. Okay, so let's see. So like the documentation that I was reading. Okay, so what it looks like is I can go here and I can just call hljs.highlight. I think that would be correct because mark.parse is going to render this into HTML. Then DOM purify is going to sanitize it. And then I'm going to pass it to HLJS for stylighting. Or L. Ooh, stylighting. New word, baby. Oh, highlighting. Anyways, geez. I think that logically makes sense to me. Let me go here. See, it doesn't blow up. That's a good start. Let's go JS console.log. Hello world. Close. Let's see. Does it blow up? Ah, it blows up. Okay, so could not find the language. Why could you not? Is it because it's wrapped in that tree? And it needs, well, well, I wonder if, okay, so I wonder if it's scanning the entire string and it doesn't like doing that. So let me just throw this here. Okay, yeah, so it's scanning the entire string, or no, that is a string. I was gonna say HTML, but that's same thing, really. Um, yeah, so let me see if I can find anything with React specifically. Um, highlight.js React. Oh, if you made me a React component for my syntax highlighting, it would be wonderful. And it's not a massive project. That doesn't mean it's bad, certainly. But I don't know if that would be, yeah, I don't think that would be useful to me because I'm not rendering it as a component. Um, Go back here, highlight JS. JS marked. HLJS to highlight all. Oh, can I just do it with a use effect and just try and highlight everything basically? Okay, well, that's what I get for being fancy. Uh, okay, so according to the internet, I can just go here, can do use effect, and my callback can simply be HLJS dot highlight all. And I assume that this means that this will simply go through the entire DOM tree and try and highlight everything. So let's try that out. So that works fine there. If I do JS console.log hello world, close it. It's still it's at least not blowing up, but it's not highlighting. But I wonder if that is because I'm only calling that when the page renders. So in other words, I wonder if hmm, yeah, I wonder if I need to call that basically after this occurs, which I don't know how to do yet, but we'll figure it out. The other thing I wonder is if there is a different uh a different function that I can call that will highlight a just certain part of the code. And I think that might be the case. I think I could use highlight block, which would be useful. So up here, I'm going to try this again, basically. So hljs dot highlight block, and there. I don't know why it does that every time I save. Whatever. Okay, nah, that's something wrong immediately. Can access property highlighted. Okay, this is probably. Let me actually read the documentation. That would be smart, perhaps. Probably not. I mean, documentation is for nerds, right? That's sarcastic. Please read documentation. Don't really care about the theme. Core API, highlight auto, so highlight all elements on a page, the matching CSS selector. That makes sense. Highlight element to a DOM node containing code. Yes, so that is what I would like to do. Actually, okay, maybe this is what I want then. So highlight element, because I think this counts as a DOM node. I don't know, but we'll soon find out. It does not. Wait, no, that's the wrong button. Highlight element. Is this just some basic error that I'm making? Not undefined, not useful. Element.dataset. Element.dataset. Highlight JS. So, okay, let me keep going through here. I know there's also highlight block. So, oh, this is deprecated. Okay, well, good to know. So, so highlight element is basically the same thing. So highlight auto language detection, except a string with a code to highlight an optional array of, okay, that's optional. Let me try highlight auto. I am aware that this is a little bit hacky just going through and trying to yeah, just do everything but like this. Okay, hold on. We are getting somewhere maybe. I wonder if it's returning a, oh my gosh, words. I wonder if it is I wonder if it is returning object instead of just raw code or raw HTML. So yeah, because it seems to be working there. So let me think how I can print that. Because it's gonna be a bit of pain. Well, actually no, it's not gonna be a bit of pain to print because you know what I can do. I can just console.log uh this, and then we can just see what this is. Okay, I think it's just illegal, so or not not illegal. I think it's just the value. So in this case, if I do like JSX I and close. There we go. That looks like it's doing something. Okay, so I just need to target, not target, but call value. So, or not target, whatever that word means, you know, that word, because there's no way I'm ever gonna remember the word otherwise. Um, okay, getting closer. We're getting closer. Let me just see. So now it's not rendering that, which is troublesome. I don't know why it's not doing that. Um, so highlight auto. Oh, I could just read the docs. That makes sense. So we have value, relevance, second best, and language. So am I not calling the correct thing? Because here's the thing. I printed this and this looked right. If we go here and we do this again, like this looks correct, you know, but don't know why. Well, unless, oh, so it's not, oh, okay. That is weird, but at least it makes a little bit more sense, you know? Okay. So, in that case, do I want to be calling this before I render it? Perhaps? Or sorry, before I sanitize it. I'm wondering if that's causing any issues with it. So HLJS dot highlight auto. Uh, so let me just go ahead and yoink this. Paste. Basically the same thing, we're just going in different order. Why is printing object now? Oh, it's probably trying to sanitize it. Um, well, just for the sake of testing purposes, I'll try and remove the sanitization and see what happens. No, okay, we're back to the same thing. So the sanitization is not messing with it as far as I know. But I'm just gonna move back to this because this seems like it's the right way to do things. Maybe it is. So DOM purify spits out. Yeah, this is annoying. Let me go back to uh React MDE or Easy MDE. I just want to see if there's a way that I can call the function after preview render. So In other words, MDE and let's just see if I can call something after that. So here, this is a preview class, preview renderer. There's nothing for calling something after that. Oh, oh, okay. Well, I didn't have to do any of that today. God damn it. Okay, well, yeah, that's nice. So rendering config should just, oh my god, dude. Oh my gosh. Oh, why did I do this to myself? Why did I do this to myself? Questioning life at the moment. Seriously am. Okay, so we can remove this. We can remove this. We can remove all this. We can remove that too. We need to import that, I think. And go down here and I think actually I did, hold on. I think I need, oh yeah, if this is an object, I need render custom rendering option. No, I need rendering config. Rendering config. I don't know if there's the right way to do this, but so code syntax highlighting true. Code syntax highlighting true. All right, let's just try and do this. Let's see what happens here. So, why is it returning it undefined now? Hell. Oh, I was about to say, what the hell? Okay, so now it renders. Let's see. I don't feel like that's probably not right, but still, let me just try and do log I. Yeah, no. Okay, so oh, here we go. There's actually an example of how to do this. So rendering config. Oh, and it even looks like there's a sanitizer function that you actually have to do. Oh man. Okay. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, well, in that case, let's just take, let's go ahead and throw the sanitizer function in that. I'm moving around windows way too fast. I'm sorry about that. So let's go ahead and take, well, actually, I'm not sure if that's getting called yet. So let me, this is what I'm using, right? But that, like, this just doesn't look, well, actually, I guess if I'm just plopping this in here, then yeah, simple MD React, wherever that is. Yeah, it's just taking in options. So this should be right. Um, Here, let me see how this compares to preview renderer. If I'm oh, yeah, I don't know. Let me render. What do you want me to do? What are you mad about? I don't understand. Let me wrap you in something. I shouldn't need to. Let's go back to what this was, which is this, and then let me see. I'm gonna figure out why the highlighting is not working still. So I don't need to deal with this too much anymore, but let me go here and see. Continuous highlighting. Defaults to false. To use this feature, you must include highlight.js on your page or pass in using the HLJS option. I'm doing that, right? Well, I could try and pass it in. So how do I pass it in? That is a good question. Is it down here in rendering config? It is not. Let me just search for it on the page, I guess. HLJS. In the objectable instance, you can probably instance here. Okay, I think what I need to do is just, oh yeah, just say HLGS. Let's try that. Okay, so it's definitely actually doing something now. Let me just see. I think, what am I doing wrong here? Oh, maybe that. That's what I'm doing wrong. Okay, let's please work. That'll be amazing because I've been tired. Oh, it's still not working, man. Yeah, it's definitely just not doing anything. Um, okay, so my only other assumption is I'm doing something wrong, like here, but I don't, just in terms of like the formatting. But I feel like it'd be yelling at me, you know? Um, let's see what else we got. So, okay, this is the defaults and the basics. Just pretty simple. Simple. Oh, and it also looks like I don't actually have to use a React state. I can just use using mde.value, which should be nice. So here, let me see how I am doing this here. So where am I even importing easy? Oh, simple MD. Um, React simple MD. I forgot this is actually a different thing. Let me go here and look at this instead. This might be more helpful. So options. Oh, I could just remove spell checker. Oh my gosh. Would like to just see how. Really like to just see like a full list of options, but looks like I'm not gonna be able to get that. So yeah, okay, so let me see what else we can do here. I just need to see what the options are, you know? I mean, yeah, that's not even a custom options example. That's just, yeah, so Is there any way that I can't? Oh, here we go. Here we go. Okay, okay. This might be what I want. I want to be options have render options. I think. Let me go down here to where I'm actually instantiating that. Oh no, but it's still options though, ain't it? Um, there's no difference. It's the same thing. So let me. 'Cause this is returning an object as well. Um, man, I really don't know where to go from here. Hmm. Okay, this is annoying at best. Cause yeah, but I should just be able to pass options in, but I'm not able to do that for some reason. So let me go see. Let me look back over here and see if there is. Okay, so see, this looks pretty damn similar to how I'm doing this. Uh, the only difference is that this is passing an actual function. Where was it? Um, there we go. This is passing an actual function back instead of an object. But yeah, am I doing that the same way and stuff? It, okay, it doesn't need. Oh no. It does need to take in text. I'm going crazy. Ugh, oh my God. Yeah, I really don't know how to get this to work, man. Like, it should just take those options and then run with it. Unless this is a really. Oh, you know what? That's why. Um, this hasn't been updated in God knows how long. Okay. So on that note, what I'm guessing is that highlight the wherever it is, this hasn't actually been added into here. So I could either make my own fork of that and add it there, or I could just try and figure out how to use easy MDE. Actually, let's see if I can just find it easy. Blog post or something. Uh, with React. Don't want to use the wrapper though. That is so incredibly bright. My God. Um, don't want to use that though. Hmm. Okay, so I'm gonna have to figure out a way to render this, because yeah, it's gonna be a pain otherwise, you know. One thing I could potentially do is just take a little shortcut and actually, well, yeah, I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna have to think about this. Let me make a note here, and then I will be ending the live stream. Um, yeah. So I'll look into using easy MDE instead of React simple MDE. Options are outdated. Also consider just creating your own fork and going from there. Comment. How far am I with through this? Okay. In that case, I am not going to commit. There's not really much of a reason to. Okay. So, yeah. Bit of a slow stream. Sorry about that, but there's always tomorrow. If you did watch this long, thank you for watching. I do appreciate it. And I will see you later. Bye bye.